AI-generated art is exploding in 2025. But when it comes to creating stunning images, who does it best? MidJourney, DALL 4, or Stable Diffusion? In this video, we'll compare them side by side, based on quality, ease of use, and cost. Welcome to Next Gen Tools, your guide to the future of productivity and automation. If you're looking to simplify your digital life with the smartest tools on the planet, you're in the right place. MidJourney version 6, a powerful tool that generates rich cinematic art, but it's only accessible via Discord. DALL 4. From OpenAI, it's smart, intuitive, and now integrated into ChatGPT Pro. You can edit, extend, and reimagine images with just words. Stable Diffusion XL, the open source king. Run it locally or through web platforms. It's highly customizable and perfect for developers. Let's test all three with the same prompt. A futuristic city at sunset, ultra-detailed cinematic lighting. MidJourney delivers a painterly, dramatic look with deep colors and lighting. It's great for concept art. DALL 4 gives a more realistic, coherent image, better with human features and objects. Stable Diffusion depends on the model used. With the right one, it can be just as stunning and even more customizable. Overall, MidJourney wins on style, DALL wins on realism, and Stable Diffusion wins on flexibility. DALL 4 is the easiest. Just type your idea into ChatGPT and boom, instant image. MidJourney is a bit tricky. You have to use commands inside Discord. Great if you're used to it. Stable Diffusion has a learning curve. You need to install tools or use platforms like Leonardo.ai or Dream Studio. So if you're a beginner, go for DALL. If you like tinkering, Stable Diffusion gives you full control. DALL 4 is part of ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 a month. MidJourney has multiple plans starting from 10-month up to 60-month for heavy users. Stable Diffusion is free if you run it on your computer. Some web platforms charge for extra features. Best value? DALL for ease. Plus features, budget-friendly, Stable Diffusion, especially for tech-savvy users. MidJourney V6 now supports reference images, better faces, and more prompt accuracy. DALL 4 supports inpainting. Change parts of an image with natural edits. Stable Diffusion goes beyond both. Use ControlNet, Dream Booth, or LoRa to train your own style or face. For professionals, Stable Diffusion is limitless. For fast creativity, DALL makes editing super easy. Here's the final score. Best visual art, MidJourney. Nothing beats its mood and style. Best for editing and simplicity, DALL 4. You can literally paint with words. Most customizable, Stable Diffusion. If you want total control, this is your playground. Which one is best for you? That depends on your needs, but all three are shaping the future of digital creativity. Subscribe button plus teaser of next video. Which AI art generator is your favorite? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI comparisons and tutorials.